In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off meeting notifications in Zoom. If you've ever been deep in focus and a meeting starting soon alert pops up at the worst possible time, this quick adjustment will help you reclaim your concentration without missing anything important. Start by opening Zoom on your computer. Once the app is up, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see your initials there. Either way, that's the button you want. This opens a small menu. From that menu, choose Settings to open the main Preferences window where Zoom keeps all of its controls. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where Zoom groups the basic behavior and appearance options for the app. Take a moment to scan for the notification-related control labeled Remind Me X minutes before upcoming meetings. This setting is responsible for those automatic pop-ups that tell you a meeting is about to start. To stop those reminders, switch this option off. The change takes effect immediately. There's no save button to click, so as soon as the toggle is off, Zoom will stop sending the pre-meeting alert. A quick note on the X minutes part. That number is just the lead time Zoom uses when the reminder is on. Turning the setting off disables the reminder entirely, regardless of what the number says. If you ever decide you want gentle heads-up alerts again, you can return here and turn the toggle back on. Disabling this option only affects Zoom's own meeting starting soon notifications on this device. Your scheduled meetings, hosts, and participants remain exactly the same, and you'll still be able to join meetings as usual. If you rely on a separate calendar app or your operating system's notifications, those may still alert you before a meeting, which can be helpful if you prefer managing reminders outside of Zoom. If you want to double-check that the change worked, simply glance back at the toggle to confirm it's off and close the settings window. From now on, you won't see those Zoom pre-meeting pop-ups interrupting your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, go to Settings, select General, and turn off Remind Me X minutes before upcoming meetings. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in keeping your screen and your focus clear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more streamlined Zoom experience.